Shine Through presents The Trader's Edge, an inside peek into some of the tricks of the trade. I just put together a couple quick slides and a few of the ideas where people ask me all the time, how do you do that, why do you do that, what do you do in this case, and I'd like to share some of them with you now. And you can try to ask me any questions. You can even ask questions throughout, especially if it's on that slide. We'll try to answer them as orderly as we can. And of course, at the end, we'll do questions and answers. Okay, so interesting first slide. Okay, guys, get behind the mentality of passive versus aggressive. Okay, this is part of the tricks of the trade when you have the option of either bidding and offering or when to take the offer or hit the bid. We have two examples. One is the couch potato where you're, I wouldn't say lazy, but you're complacent and you're on the left-hand side bidding for your stock, hoping to get hit on the bid, waiting for that patiently, and eventually, hopefully, you get hit. If you get to a point where you feel like you need to be more aggressive, you then go to the right side where you need to be as aggressive as those fighters are to accomplish what you want, whether it be grabbing a market offer or hitting the bid aggressively to get out. So that's the mentality that I always think about. Passive versus aggressive. Are you bidding for stock passively, or are you taking the offer aggressively? There are many times where I do both. For me, generally, when I do my best trades, it's usually on the passive side. I think people will agree with that, that your best trades are where you're getting hit at your levels. And we'll go into some of the advantages on why we would bid for some stock versus hitting the bid or taking the offer in order to get long or short. So for the most part, it's the mentality behind when to bid, when to offer, when to hit the bid, and when to take the offer. And we'll get into a little more deep in the next couple slides.